Can't keep this thing on here. Keep bobbing.
I think mine keeps on moving. Mine keeps on moving. When I'm driving, I'm what?
Here, make sure the tires are on tight. Can you check it?
Yeah, mine's like I'm moving sideways and it's going straight.
Here.
Oh, this one looks like it's popping up, dude.
Yeah.
That's bad.
Yeah. Okay.
What does it go like at full power?
Stand on this side and do it. Okay. But keep it straight though. Keep it straight. Nope. Don't turn it as much. Here.
Can you help me do full power?
Okay. You do the power, and if I say let go, let go. If I say brake, brake. Brake. Okay, brake. Light brake, light brake, light brake. Okay. Turn it around. Here, move this on.
Put that down.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
No. Too much.
I'm not touching it. I'm not
Okay,
touching it.
hold on. Then you do like a little bit of brake. Okay? Then turn it. Brake keeps the brake, and then a little slow on the throttle. Don't turn it. Then all the way. Let go. Then all the way to the end. Let it go. Let brake a little light brake. Okay. Let's turn it around. Ready, set.
That's faster than I can run.
Whoa. Little turns. Brake.
Well, I can see
Nice
dust
turn.
coming out.
Yeah. From the road. Nice.
Ooh, aren't you going to break the car?
No, when you pop it like that, it does a wheelie. Ready?
Yeah, but aren't you going to scuff the back?
A little bit.
Cordy, check this out!
Go all the way to the end. This battery's probably dead. No. Other way. Brake. Okay, turn it. And then slow throttle. Oh, here we go. Full. Here it comes. Brake, turn. Oh, right underneath the car.
That's what happened to me, but I went more under.
Wow, this thing's quick. I should have brought the holder so we could see how fast it goes next time. All right, don't move.
Turn it off.
Move yours out of the way in case we have to run. Okay? Go for it. Easy, light, just light. Brake. Brake, turn. Okay, turn around the other way. Do it again. Straight. Light throttle, light. More. Brake. Half brake. Don't turn it when it's too fast. Go straight. Light turns.
Cordy, watch this!
Okay, light. Brake. All the way, brake. Okay, let's go back. Stop it right there, brake. Give me that. Here, grab yours.
I'll grab my car.
Yeah, we can head back. Here. Okay, I got it.
Wait, are you supposed to take off the plastic part?
Yeah, I think so.
Should we take it off?
Can if you want to. Okay, get off the road. Nope, battery's up.
Can we peel it off?
That probably protects it. I wouldn't even bother.